read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning. Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyidam Nadwi from the Moonlight International Publishers. It's fun time. Let's do color. But before doing the colors, we will count. Okay, what we will count? If the pictures are in number 5, then we will do colors. Let's count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 flowers. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. How many balls are there? 1, 2. 2 balls. And how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 pencils. Now we will do colors in flowers and pencils. Take the colors of your own choice and let's start. Very good. The other activity you will do by yourself. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.